morning everyone. Now I am going to explain you a simple Arduino program which is blinking an LED. The components required for this program are an LED, breadboard, connecting wires, Arduino Uno board and a USB cable and a computer system with Arduino IDE installed in it. First of all, we'll see what is an LED. LED is a small light emitting diode which works with little power, which has two legs, in which the long leg is termed as anode, which is positive. It should be connected to the any digital output pin of the Arduino Uno board, and the shorter leg is cathode, which is negative. It should be connected to the ground. Let us see connections. Okay. Keep our LED on the breadboard and connect the positive pin anode to the digital output of the Arduino. Now I am connecting my anode to the pin number 9. Connecting cathode to the ground. With the help of this USB cable, connect Arduino Uno board to the system. Okay, first of all, let us write the Arduino program. For this, we have to open our terminal. Control Alt T. Go to the Arduino IDE location. So our Arduino IDE 1.6.9 is located on the desktop, which is Arduino 1.6.9 version. CD space desktop, then go to CD space Arduino version number 1.6.9, then sudo space /Arduino, enter the password. GRIET is our password. That's it. Our Arduino IDE gets started. Go to file, in this select new. Now the sketch will get open. The area where we write our Arduino programs is called as sketch. This sketch consists of two parts, in which setup function and loop function. First of all, when your program starts, setup function will get runs initially. Setup function is used to initialize pin mode and declaring the variables, initialize the serial port. Okay, now write pin mode. Pin mode is used to configure our specified pin, whether it should be function as output mode or input mode. So I have connected my LED to the pin number 9, right? So pin mode of pin number 9, comma, LED we are using for output purpose. So write output in capital letters. Then keep a semicolon. That's it. Then go to loop. We are writing our program to blink an LED, right? First of all, we have to turn on our LED and then turn off. So, to turn on LED, we have to write the function called as digital write. We are using here digital pin, right? That's why we are writing digital write of pin mode, pin number, which is 9, and turn on. To turn on the pin, we have to write high. Keep a semicolon, and then it has to wait for 1 second. To wait for 1 second, we have to write, we are using here delay function, delay of 1000. 1000 means 1 second. 1000 milliseconds means 1 second. Then turn off. To turn off, we have to write again digital write off. Digital write off pin number, comma, off, low, semicolon. That's it. Verify whether there are any errors. To verify whether there are any errors in our program, click on this button. Okay, done compiling. Compiled successfully. Now connect our Arduino board to the computer. Okay, uploaded. LED started blinking with the delay of 1 second. You write an Arduino program for serial lights. Components required for this are 3 LED lights. We can take any number as our wish. I am taking here 3 LED lights. Connecting wires, Arduino Uno board, breadboard and USB cable, and a system with Arduino IDE installed in it. Okay, let us see hardware connections. Keep 3 LEDs in a same row on the breadboard. Connect these anode to digital pins, digital output pins. I am connecting first LED to the pin number 8 and second LED anode to the pin number 9. And third LED anode to the pin number 10. So now let us take a common ground for these 3 cathodes. First of all, let us connect a common ground. Connect this LED cathode to this ground. And again same. Do same for this one also. So that's why initially we are initializing this I variable with the pin number 8. Then it will continue, it will check whether they are less than or equals to 10 or not. Then it will increment one by one. When I equals to 8, 8 pin will get turned on and wait for 1000 milliseconds, that means 1 second. Then digital write of I comma low, that means it will turned off. Next it will again I incremented by 1, right? So I equals to 9. 9 less than or equals to 10. Yes, it is okay. Then 9 comma high. Ninth pin LED will turn on. Then it waits for 1 second and then it will get turned off. Same, 10th pin will get turned on and off. This will repeats continuously. Okay, now let us verify whether there are any errors. Connecting our Arduino board to the system. Okay, there are no errors. Upload. Eighth pin turned on, 9, 10. Again 8, 9, 10. This is repeating. Program for LED interface through switch. The components required for this program are Arduino Uno board, breadboard, push button, that means switch, a resistor, an LED and USB cable and connecting wires. For this we have to keep this LED on breadboard. Connect positive anode to the any digital output pin. I am connecting this to the pin number 8 or 9, and cathode is connected to ground. I am taking here common ground. And next, one end of the push button is connecting to the digital pin, that is 8. Another end is I am connecting another end to the ground through resistor. I am taking here 2020 volts resistor. Through this resistor, I am connecting this to the ground. And this end I am connecting to the V input, that is voltage pin. Line is we are declaring input switch as input. We are using switch as input, right? And switch I have connected to the pin number 8. That's why I have written here pin mode 8 comma input. Next we'll go to loop function. Now I have taken here C, character C, a variable. This variable is used to read the status of switch, that is connected to pin number 8. Further, we use here digital read function. That means digital read function reads the switch status and store it in the character C. If C equal to high, then digital write 9 comma high. That means when switch is pressed, our LED will turn on, else LED will turn off. That's it. Verify. Verify. No errors. Now upload the program. See here, I am pressing here push button, LED turned on. I am releasing the button, LED turned off. That's it. Thank you.